this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the media sound on your Android phone. So just go to the volume button. Sometimes you can see the actual media volume right here. So if you get the little note symbol right here for music, that means you're under media selection. But I can see my sound is muted when I go to this actually because the sound has a cross through it. So you want to just tap this and you want to put it to speaker. Otherwise, it's going to be muted. So you can just tap it, go to speaker, and then the sound is actually on right now. So just look at that. Then also, maybe you have some sort of application using your sound for whatever reason. Just hit the switcher and close all your different applications under here. You can go to clear all right there. And that will close everything out. So maybe you got like a voice call or something in the background that's using all your audio. And then also we can go to the top right. And we could try just turning off Bluetooth. Maybe you're connected to a Bluetooth speaker or something right now. So we can just turn off Bluetooth. So we can just tap this once and we can just turn this off. And then just see if it works. Maybe you're connecting to a Bluetooth speaker or your car is on or something and you're still connected to your vehicle. And then we can go to settings. Then we go to sound and vibrations. And just make sure media volume right here is turned up enough so we can actually hear the things going on. Then also look at the option here to just restart your phone. So if everything else kind of fails, just restart your phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.